up, guys? Today we're installing a front lip for a 2018 Toyota Camry. And we have the lip laid out right now, and they are trying to find the screws to install it.
It's a scavenger hunt. If you find it, you get the lip.
Got all the boys here today. This piece of whatever the hell that is. This beauty and that beauty. Alex, what's going on right now?
I don't know, bro.
You're looking for screws. Looking for screws?
Yeah, we're actually looking for screws.
I wonder where the screws are.
I still gave it in the pocket.
Ooh.
You flush on your side foot?
Yeah.
What is this one?
Alright.
Oh, is this pretty flush right here?
Yeah, how is it?
If this all lines up, that means we should be fine.
That one looks good. Let me check the other side, make sure it's even on both sides. Back a little more. Alright, get on that side. Let me see your side. We have it flush like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh no, Joseph.
Oh my gosh, it don't be like that, huh? Boy. Update, the drill would not fit under the car because it's not lifted up on a jack. So we are switching over to the impact driver, which is a lot shorter and should fit under the car.
Boy, you sound like a robot. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Yes, today I am a robot.
Spanish robot.
I'm robot today.
Wait, no, that's Russian. Fuck. No, bro.
In America, we drive on
Right.
In America, we drive on the right side of the road. In Europe, we drive on the left side of the road. In Russia, road is road. Drive whatever.
In America, we drive on the right side of the road. In England, we drive on the left side of the road. In Russia, road is road. Drive where you want. Road save road.
Alright, so we have successfully pissed off Jacob by fucking with the drill.
I got mosquitoes in my ear.
And it's not a freaking deer. Hold on.
Somebody
That's
got
obesity.
obesity.
What's it called?
I live in bestiality. I live in Alabama and I fuck my dog while I'm fingering my sister. Is this a recording? Shit. I mean, you better not put this on. Delete this shit.
Damn bracket.
Oh my god. Dropping my phone, man.
If y'all want some high quality glossy paint like this, just hit up Jonathan's Auto Detailing at Jonathan Wynn. Wait, do people know his name? Shit. He can edit this out. Austin, do you have any words to say?
You want an iPhone 10? Hit up Apple. That's your YouTube channel.
What was that? That was Jacob's car. There's a kid over there.
Oh, this bit works. Just get this down there.
It looks kind of dark. These cheap screws that came with the kit are already stripping. So we're going to take it back out. Well, he's going to take it back out. And then we're going to put the car on blocks and then attempt this again. Because China sucks at making screws. Probably because 12-year-old kids made them. R.I.P. I don't need to cuss. I need to get out of the habit of cussing so much in my daily life.
Alright, you guys ready? And
This dude almost ran me over just now. I haven't moved since he got in the car, and I just assumed that he wouldn't hit me. But just to show you perspective, oh, yeah. He literally just like ran over everything. So if anyone needs someone to be a driver for them, do not I repeat, do not ask this man to drive. Alex, come here. Alright, attempt number 2. The car is on wood blocks. And he's gonna try again to mount the lip.
Oh, Dave?
Hmm.
Yeah, started.
One more, that's it.
That's good. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay then. We are screwing around anymore. Hey, quit bugging.
Oh my gosh, I hate this kid.
You think it should go closer or stick out a little? Yeah, that looks. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks pretty good.
Dang. Dang. Bro, look his arms. This man's got giant arms. That was kind of hot.
Oh hell no!
We about to get attacked. He finna get jumped by someone. John saw the muffler yet? The muffler for the CRV. Since y'all took it out. Is that PG? Put my finger up his butt. I said. This has a little off, like a lot. I thought, is it not supposed to be flush on this side?
Oh shoot.
It's real.
Looks good. Alright, now I'm gonna move my car for Jonathan to get out. What? No, here, you can look at it. Oh, and you're gonna have to go through a lot of footage.
Oh yeah, why are you shaking? Oh my god, I just told you about this, David. I literally just told you about that.
What? What'd you say?
Make sure this is always in the hole so it won't shake. Not have a bunch of wobble.
What's in the hole?
The wire.
Ooh,
That's what those holes are for.
Okay. Huh?
Check it out.
You're gonna have to go through this footage because I messed up a lot.
It's okay.
But here, you can look at the settings. There's a car coming. Hurry up, please. Thank you. No cars. No cars. Please don't scrape. Please don't scrape. No scrape. Yeah. Perfect. No scrape for me.
BMW drivers always leaving this junk on the top of their roof, man.
Cause I wasn't driving anywhere. Big risk. Big risk. Alright guys, so the front lip is finally installed on the Camry. Now, it's amazing what just a front lip can do to your car. Wow, that's crazy.
Here we go!
we're back into my room again. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini video. Well, it's like a little bit. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini video I created that of installing the lip onto my cousin's Camry. Hopefully we get more content on his Camry. He's just now getting into the car scene. So there's some few mods here that are coming up soon. I'm sorry I didn't really, well they didn't really film much because I had to go somewhere. So I just gave my camera to my cousin who was in the last video with the BMW. He's pretty into recording and stuff. He's having fun and everything. So I gave him my camera and he pretty much recorded a bunch of stuff. So if it's a little choppy, I'm sorry. And he didn't really record the endings. I saw the ending clip was kind of like different quality because I had to get my cousin to record the lip. But I'm gonna leave the lip description down below if you guys are interested. Whoever has Camry owner, whoever's a Camry owner, 8th gen. It's pretty cheap. It's like $50 like he told me. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. But the main point I want to give across is I might be gone for 6 weeks. By the time I'm recording this video, I'm not at 200 subs yet. I'm super close. But I'm guessing by the time I'm gonna post this video, I'll probably be at 200 already. So whoever supported me this far, thank you guys so much. Hopefully I can make a video for the 200 giveaway. If not, I might have to delay the 200 giveaway. Like I'll still do the 200 giveaway winner. Like I'll maybe like make a video, like a short video of like texting and stuff like that, and explaining who's gonna win and what's gonna happen. And I'll probably do all that stuff there. Because the reason why I'm gonna be gone for 6 weeks is because I'll be getting surgery. It's a major surgery, but most of you guys asked about my braces. There's a reason why I have braces on at this time. It's because I usually tell my jaw isn't aligned right. Because of it, I've been like biting my gums a lot, and it's been causing a lot of ulcers and blisters, and it's hard to like talk and eat and everything. It's been really annoying. So I decided to get braces and start the whole procedure of my surgery. I had my braces on for like about a year now, and they said that once I hit 1 year, I had to get the jaw surgery done, and now is the time for that jaw surgery. It's pretty major surgery, and I'm pretty scared about it as well. So I can't work or anything for 6 weeks. Hopefully I can recover sooner for that 6 weeks so I can like make videos again and go to work and everything. But I won't be able to upload anything or talk anything until 6 weeks of recovery. Hopefully I recover before then, or able to like talk and start working around. If needed, I can give my camera to one of my cousins or something to record something, and then I'll post it. I can still edit. My hands will be fine, just my mouth will be destroyed by the surgery. Because I'm gonna get like, I think they said that they're gonna cut part of my jaw right here and like top to the top just to realign it back. It's gonna be a major surgery. I have to be in the hospital for a few days, and then I'll be out. They said out for a minimum of 6 weeks, roughly 12 weeks for a full recovery. So that's by the time of my wedding, so I'll probably be married by next videos and stuff. But I'm just letting you guys know I might not be able to upload anything for a while. But just believe in me, send good prayers my way. I'm also on Instagram, I'll post some stuff there. You can DM me anything if you guys want, any questions. I can still text, my hands will be fine. Just I can't talk. But those who support me, like who continue to support me and wait for the 6 weeks to be over for more content, I really appreciate you guys so much. Like I know it's gonna be rough for my 6 weeks to recover, but I'm hoping you guys still support me throughout my journey, and even after my surgery and everything, my videos and everything. Hopefully you guys stay subscribed, because after this, hopefully by 200, hopefully by this video I'll have 200 subs. So hopefully we're going for a 300 sub giveaway. I told you guys every 100 sub I'm going to do a giveaway. So hopefully by then we're getting close to 300. We're striving for 300. So again, I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me and continue to support. I hope you guys continue to support me, and I'll see you guys later.
Hey, what up, bro? Today we're installing a front lip for a. Hey, what year is your car?
2018.
Son of a bitch!
Yes.
What's up, guys? Today we are installing. Motherfucker, bro, I hate y'all so much. What up, guys? Today we are working on a 2018 Camry, installing the front lip. Fuck. Yes.